Waitarakao Washdyke Lagoon catchment is an area with a rich history in biodiversity and culture. A combination of natural hazards, climate change impacts and land use changes have led to the ongoing decline in the area's ecosystem health.
Our Waitarakao is a collaboration between 4 partners, so it's Environment Canterbury, Timaru District Council, Department of Conservation and Arowhenua Runanga. It's also in collaboration with all of the community who live in this catchment and have an interest in what's going on out here. And the main 2 purposes of that project is to try and improve the environment in the catchment and the health of the waterways and the life that lives in the catchment, and also the resilience of the parts of the catchment to natural hazards.
Several main water bodies provide a network of ecosystems for our native and desired flora and fauna. 3 major streams, Papaka, Rosewell and Oakwood, and several small tributaries merge into Washdyke Creek before entering the lagoon environment.
In a stream like this, we can see a lot of different types of animals and life forms live in it. We can find fish in it, we can find bugs and worms, as well as microbes like bacteria. And also a lot of birds are associated with waterways as well.
Fish sampling involves setting nets in waterways to live capture and release fish to determine which species are present. eDNA sampling involves collecting samples from waterways and analysing the DNA found within the sample.
Well, the interesting thing about the eDNA is it's just awareness of what you've got on your property. These water holes that are not even permanent, there's eels in there, and to pull up a net full of eels is that's pretty amazing, and so it's come as a bit of a surprise in this catchment with very little permanent water that there is actually as much life in the creeks as what there is.
Fish surveys and eDNA sampling help us to identify the current state of the catchment's biodiversity, locate critical species habitat to protect, and find opportunities for improvement. Fish surveys and eDNA sampling provide valuable data that helps us plan for the future, so we can restore the mauri of the catchment for everyone.